Now, do you like infinite scrolling and shopping? Well, Google's new shopping service may be perfect for you. But if you're trying to break your scrolling habit, you might want to steer clear. Here's NTD Sean Marshall with more.
Google Shopping now offers infinite scroll. Similar to how apps like TikTok and Instagram use algorithms and personal data to show content tailored to your interests. It also uses personalized browsing options to look at shoppable products and videos while finding the lowest prices.
We know AI is good at targeting you, analyzing what your shopping habits are, and with the power of Google, it can definitely fine-tune and help you find that perfect gift for yourself. Or with the holidays coming up, it can help you find the perfect gifts for your loved ones.
The new Google Shopping experience uses AI to show the most relevant products to speed up and simplify your research, along with item ranking preferences.
Also, one of the good things is that it's got the option for you to virtually try on any article of clothing if you're looking for clothes.
You can choose different models that have your body type to see how the clothing might look.
AI is experimental. So basically, Google seems like they've put out this AI component in Google Shopping for us, meaning the shoppers, to be the guinea pigs to find out if it's going to work. I mean, because with AI, you can only do so much experimentation in the laboratory, but at some point, you've got to release it out to the general public.
Google has the vast gold mine of data from YouTube and internet browsing to know what you could want or need. Google has paired the 45 billion product listings in Google's shopping graph with Gemini models to transform the online shopping experience with a new personalized shopping home. It's already available, along with more rolling out in the US over the coming weeks. Sean Marshall, NTD News.